Thank the Lord for GPS, because I can travel anywhere with no problem. Sometimes it leads me on a wild goose chase, but 99% of the time it gets me where I'm going. But life before that, I can't even think about it. Maps, asking everyone for directions. We didn't have cell phones. Oh my God. But we made it out alive. Do you remember when we never used seatbelts? My kids used to be flying across the car. Every time I made a turn, they purposely would leap across the car and smash into the door and then leap the other way. And they used to sleep on your lap while you're driving. It was crazy. Thank goodness for seatbelts now.